Hello guys, game week 2 is on and it's going to start in another hour. So some interesting games we see here, and two main contenders, Manchester City and Manchester United, will be back into action this week. So considering the matches we have for this week, we see that two matches, Arsenal, West Ham, and Manchester City and Wolves, could be high scoring matches. Manchester City could come all guns blazing because they are the main contenders, I feel, for this year. And then Arsenal looks a serious contender here, and their defense under Arteta looks strong, and I feel they are going to beat Arsenal comfortably, and it could be a high scoring match for Aubameyang and Lacazette. So and interesting matches, if you see, one exciting match is the Chelsea and Liverpool. So Chelsea can break the hearts of Liverpool this week. Leeds almost broke last week, but somehow penalties saved them. But this time it's the turn of Chelsea, and they could break the back of Liverpool. So this is a very interesting match. And then the Burnley Leicester City. Burnley defense is always strong. Pope has been stronger at the goal post. Leicester City, while they played a good match last week, but this is a tough match for them. But it will be interesting to see how Brendan Rodgers' team plays against Burnley here. So coming to our predictions, we see that Arsenal is going to beat West Ham 3-0. Hands down, West Ham doesn't look like scoring goals here. And then Aston Villa and Sheffield United, there aren't many attacking options here. So I feel it's a 1-1. And then Brighton Hove and Newcastle. Newcastle looks in good form. I feel they are somehow going to edge Brighton 1-2. Burnley Leicester City. Leicester City could somehow pop up one goal, I feel. So it would be ending 0-1. Chelsea Liverpool. Even though Chelsea could give a good fight, considering the strength of Liverpool, they could beat 1-3. And Crystal Palace Manchester United. So first game for Manchester United this season, they could win 1-2. Everton West Brom. So last week Everton beat Spurs, which is an important win for them, and again they could beat West Brom comfortably here. Calvert-Lewin could be again on the scoring sheet, and the Galactico James Rodriguez could play a crucial role in this match. And Fulham Leeds United, I feel Leeds United can blast Fulham considering how they played against Liverpool. I feel 0-4. Brentford should be in our team. Manchester City Wolves. So Manchester City could overcome Wolves here 2-0. And Southampton Spurs, after the loss against Everton, Spurs can come back stronger. They have a good team on paper, and I feel Kane could play an important role here. So these are the predictions, which means after this prediction, Arsenal could be leading the table, and they seem like good contenders for this season title under Arteta. And players to watch. So this is not the composition, basically it's a players to watch. As Manchester United are coming, I would feel the Martial Bruno Fernandes combo against Crystal Palace could be one you think you can have. I would like to captain Aubameyang, considering the West Ham, how they have been leaking goals last season and again starting this season. So I cannot leave him as captain. I would not like to have Salah here because Chelsea is a tough match. They could either, if there is a chance of penalties, definitely Salah would be the person, but somehow I don't feel I would want to drop him. Kevin De Bruyne against Wolves and Phil Foden against Wolves could be, these two could be the options. And Calvert-Lewin, definitely I would like to have him. Bamford against Fulham for Leeds United could be an option here. Lucas Digne, I feel again here it's a clean sheet. So for goal post, you can go for Pickford as well. I would like to go for Leno against West Ham. Here again could be a clean sheet for them. Gabriel, he scored, he's defending, so it looks like a good one against West Ham. Robertson, considering his assists and also the chance of clean sheet points, I would like to have him here. And James Lascelles against Brighton could be another filling position. These are the players I would like to see. There are other players, but these are my pick of the players I just wanted to watch. And then this is how my team looks like. I would like to captain Kane here. I am seeing goals this week for him, and I have Salah as well. Lundstrom against Aston Villa, and Perez. He could score goals, assist, and Phil Foden definitely I would like to have. Greenwood is another option which you can think of. I have him in my team. At the front, because of the pricing options, I had to go for Haller, and I don't see Jordan how he played last week. I don't see him scoring goals. I would like to have him Haller, and the Arsenal combo, which I feel can give me full points against West Brom. Niles is playing in the midfield basically, and he can give assists, he can give clean sheets to you. Gabriel, he scored, he gave a clean sheet last week. So, and Doherty, he is again can provide assists. So I would like to have him here. And considering my goal options, I would like to have Peter Schmeichel of against Burnley, and this Leicester City can give me some points. So these are the options I'm thinking. Please provide your comments. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching.